I need my tripod. I want to show my outfit. I want to show you guys my coat too. I have this long teddy coat. Whatever. Okay, this lighting is much better. Today's really, really cold. What happened? He's always forgetting something. We're gonna go to Target right now just to get like some groceries, but really I want to look at the home stuff because I just have a few little details that I want to, like a few little decorative things that I feel like the home still needs. Like we got all of our big pieces and now I just want to put the final touches on it. You haven't been on the vlog in a long, yeah, we're live.
What up though?
Wow, I thought I was pale. You need a little color.
A little bit.
I'm gonna put this oil tonight on you.
Damn, I lost some.
Where'd you get that hat from? It looks nice.
Oh, remember I got it? When I went to Express with Los?
Oh, it looks nice.
Thank you, boo.
You know what I think the home needs? I think we need a plant in the living room.
Plant?
Fake or real, whatever.
A what?
Fake or real.
Oh, fake.
We need a plant. I wouldn't mind like having a plant, like something to take care of.
You gonna take care of it?
Yeah, you gotta just water and talk to it.
Water and talk to it?
Yeah.
Nah, but we fake, baby. Let's go fake.
I think we need a plant, like with a nice base, whatever it's called. I would like some sort of bar cart, but then again, I don't really care because I feel like I don't really drink anymore. But I guess, whatever.
Well, we drink every now and then and when we have guests and stuff, so.
Okay, a bar cart, a plant, 2 mirrors for the nightstand, my tall mirror for selfies.
A flying saucer.
What are you getting at?
I'm just kidding. Because you're making a list, like, what else you want, madam?
Oh, a bit, some type of like cute basket for blankets, and then some type of like little bin for Max's toys,
okay,
so they can be put away.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Got it.
Oh my god, I've been waiting on Chris to grab his damn vitamins. Did you find your vitamins?
Yeah, but the only problem is I want it with iron. That's multivitamins for him, no iron, but I want it with iron.
I can show you guys my outfit. You weren't supposed to leave me alone.
Huh?
Why'd you leave me? Somebody was walking towards me and I got like all shy.
Who was walking towards you?
Oh, let me show you this plant that I wanted. I really want this plant for the living room. It's kind of pricey though. Like, look at how much it is. $80. But I really want it.
It's investment too.
It's gonna look so nice in the living room. Look how cute these command strips are. Little gold hooks. I think I'm gonna use them to hang up our keys, but then we also need to hang up some frames, so this will be cute. Stop. Home Goods. You excited? I haven't been to Home Goods in a couple weeks, so hopefully they got some new good stuff. Oh, thank God, all the holiday stuff is put away. Max is getting a new bed. It's huge too. He needs a new bed. And he's very particular about his beds. All right, so when we got home, we showed Max his new bed. And he is so excited that he peed so quick and he just wants to run to the bed. Wait for me. Oh my God. Seriously? He loves his new bed so much that he didn't even want to go pee. I kept having to pull him. Damn, baby, that bed is big. We found that bed at Home Goods. And then at Target, I bought this little basket because I thought it would be cute to put his toys and keep it in the living room. Because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but he scatters his toys all over the house. Look at that. Chris just installed, what are these, white LED lights?
Yeah, white LED. There's 7.
Oh my God, that looks so much better. Before, that used to be yellow lighting, and you guys know I hate yellow lighting. But that looks so much better. It's actually our anniversary today, guys. I didn't even say that.
Yes.
Wait, I'm trying to like look. Yeah, it's our anniversary tonight. So I want us to look a little cute. Oh my god, my baby loves his bed. Oh my god, baby. So yeah, it's our anniversary tonight. We're gonna go to dinner later on. We have reservations in a couple more hours, actually. Oh, hi. How are you guys? Wow, I look crazy. I didn't vlog last night, but we actually went to dinner. And Chris wasn't feeling well because he was getting a cold. So after dinner, we just came home and I literally got in my PJs and was just in bed on Instagram. I just got back from the gym. Today was booty day. I'll show you guys a little bit. And now I'm gonna make a quick little protein shake because I am a little hungry. And then I'm gonna shower and go to Trader Joe's. I was on Pinterest last night looking up like easy kind of healthy recipes that I could make, like plant-based recipes. And I found one that I am so excited to try. So we're gonna go to not Whole Foods. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's after I get ready and pick everything up that we need. I'm going to Trader Joe's right now to get the groceries that I need. I am so excited. I hope it turns out good. After Trader Joe's, I got a pink drink from Starbucks, but they forgot to add the coconut milk to this one. So I'm going to take this to Chris. And then this is my pink drink. I haven't had this in so long. This is a little treat for myself right now. Do you think I have enough drinks while I edit? Got my water, my kombucha, and I'm finishing up my pink drink. The food is ready, and I just did a taste test, and it tastes amazing. I baked 2 sweet potatoes. I just cut them in slices. And then these are my Brussels sprouts. As you can see, half of them look different than the other half. That's because to half of them I added this sauce right here, which doesn't want to focus, but it's General Tso's. Let me see. All right, it doesn't want to focus up close, but this is from Trader Joe's. It's the stir fry sauce, General Tso's. It tastes so good. I should have added it to like everything because it actually came out really, really good. Wow, look at this. Can you believe I made this? Can you believe how amazing it tastes? I added half of an avocado. Just add a little healthy fat, but oh my god. This tastes so good. I am going to eat my lunch and finish editing. The Nosiest Dog Award goes to Maxie. I've been getting up so early, you guys, that it's only 3 o'clock and I feel like I've had the longest day. No, you know what? We're gonna put you guys right here. That's better. So I've been sticking with my workout plan. I kind of want to make a separate video just for that. So tomorrow I will have completed a full week of the workout plan, and the guide includes 4 weeks of working out. And then once the 4 weeks are up, you can just like start it all over again, which is probably what I'm gonna do because I'm really, really enjoying it. And I've been working out every single day, and every day is now like super intense, and I feel so amazing. And yesterday's meal was so good and filling that I actually went back to Trader Joe's and I picked up some more Brussels sprouts and sweet potato because yesterday I only bought enough to make for yesterday's lunch and dinner, just because I didn't want to be wasteful and I didn't want to buy too much in case I didn't like how it turned out. But it actually turned out really, really good. And oh my god, I bought these at Trader Joe's yesterday also. These are new, I believe, because the girl checking me out, she told me they were new. So these are tortilla chips with chili and lime. And they are so amazing. So delicious. So delicious that when I went back today, I bought a second bag because I knew these are probably going to be done by like tonight or tomorrow. I was eating them earlier. We never buy chips. Like, you will never find chips in this house. I don't know, we're just like, nah. Like, if I go to someone's house and they have chips, like, I will eat them. But here, we try not to buy too many, like, things like that. Just because then we're just gonna eat really bad all the time. But yeah, I never really buy chips. But for some reason, those caught my attention. And then as I was checking out, the girl was like, oh my God, have you tried those? They're so good that she's like, when they brought them in for us to taste, she immediately bought 2 bags. And I was like, and she was right, it was really good. Now my plans were I can't talk. My plans were to go get a manicure and a pedicure today, but I'm waiting for a package and FedEx still hasn't arrived, and I want to wait for it because I think I have to sign for it. I can't remember. The other day I cleaned out my fridge. Like, I took everything out of the fridge and I cleaned the entire fridge, and just like threw away things that had expired and just purged the fridge. And now every time I open the fridge, I'm so happy. Like, do any of you guys do that? Like, I've lost it. I have fully lost it when I'm excited about cleaning a fridge. Honestly, I was gonna edit tomorrow's video, but having a little bit of trouble. One, Final Cut like shut down completely on me, and all of the editing that I had done disappeared. So that's just great. And then I realized also that my, what is this called? External hard drive. There's like no memory left on it, so it's not letting me import the footage. I was gonna do a separate video like after I completed the full workout plan that I keep talking about. Like, I think it's been 2 vlogs now that I'm talking about it, and I feel so bad because I actually hate when people do that. Like, when I'm watching a video and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna tell you this soon, and I'm just like, tell me now. Like, why are you talking about it then? So I don't want to be that person, and I'll tell you guys about it now. I'm about to complete a week, and I really like the program, and in just a matter of days, like, I could see the difference like in my energy and in my body. So I think it's a really great workout plan. And I've never actually purchased, actually no, I'm lying, I did purchase a workout plan once, and I didn't like it, and I barely completed 1 day because there were no images to go along with the workouts. I was confused by the wording, and yeah, I didn't get it. So I just never did it. I never completed the actual workout. And this new one that I purchased from this girl on Instagram, I'll share her info as well. Really great. And let me just pull up her info so that I can actually give you guys info. Well, her Instagram is fitbybella_. I will link her below. She's just in incredible shape, and she created these workout plans. I mean, I've only purchased one of her workout plans, and I'm really loving it. So basically on her website, let's go into her website. So on her website, she has different things that you can purchase. And by the way, these prices are in Canadian. So if you're purchasing it from the US, it's actually gonna be a little bit more affordable, because I remember when I went to purchase it, mine was $45. And then when I was checking out, it converted to 30 or 35. I forgot what it was exactly. So it's actually nice that it's a little bit more affordable. But yeah, you can purchase a custom workout guide from her, which I assume you speak to her about your goals and give her all your your stats, like weight and measurements and stuff, and then she'll come up with a workout plan according to what your concerns are. So maybe, I think in the future I will try that. Like, once I hit like a plateau with the current plan that I'm doing, I think I will for sure either try someone else or try one of her custom workout plans. She has a nutrition guide, which I don't really know too much about because I did not purchase that. And then the 2 bottom ones, which are the home body and the summer body shaper guides. I purchased the summer body shaper guide, and when I tell you it is intense, girl, day 1 was booty day, and then for the next 2 days I couldn't walk right. I couldn't walk. I was like, wow, I haven't been this sore. I thought I've been sore in the past, like in the past few months, but no. I had not been that sore in a long time. according to this guide, you're gonna work out 4 days a week, and then the other 3 days I've actually still been working out. And what I did was I completed the 4 days, and then on day 5 I did day 1 again, and on day 6, which was today, I did day 2. So, and then every day you work out different body parts, so it's not like you're working out booty 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 or arm. Like, she divides it so that you're not working out the same body parts and the same muscles every single day, like back to back. Then on the other days, if you didn't want to keep working out the other 3 days, it is recommended that from her guide that you still do something active, like maybe go for a walk or get a hop on the treadmill or something like that, just to keep moving, because it will help with the muscles. Like, even though I was in so much pain and so sore, it felt so much better to get up and walk as opposed to just sitting down, because girl, when I tell you I was sore, my god. I've been really enjoying that guide. It's kicking my ass, and I'm gonna be starting week 2 on Friday, which is gonna kick my ass even more, I bet. So the Summer Body Shaper guide does require gym equipment. Like, there's things in there that you need to hop on a Stairmaster, and some things that you need to hop on a treadmill, which I don't have a Stairmaster in my gym, so I just, whenever she recommends that, I just do my best on the treadmill. And then you're also gonna need things like dumbbells, ankle weights, oh my god, barbell. Sorry, I'm stuck there. So yeah, that guide, you definitely need for the Summer Body Shaper guide, you definitely need gym equipment, unless you have all of those things in your home. That's awesome. She gives really great images to go along with each workout, and she explains everything so simply. It's so easy to understand. So I really love her guide. Like, I'm very impressed with her guide. And if you don't have access to a gym, or you really just want to focus on home workouts, she actually has a home body guide, which also looks really great. So yeah, that's the program that I've been following, and I'm really enjoying it. And it's felt so great to start getting into a routine again, because for a while, as you guys may know, like, I just kept trying like different workout classes, and I just kept trying to do things on my own and figure it out, and I wasn't really happy with anything. And then finally, when I started this guide, it just like lit that passion back inside me of being, I like routines. Like, I like following some type of program, especially when it comes to fitness. I really like to follow something. That's why I always do classes. And this is the first time that I've been like hardcore working out, like really on my own, because I feel like before I didn't do anything too hardcore when it came to just working out on my own if I wasn't at a class. And then with this guide, like, I feel really good. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I'm going to try to figure out what the heck is happening here. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. Try to figure this out, try to edit the video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.